This video is on inequalities. This is mostly a reminder, as I know you've seen these things before, but I just wanted to get some words down, some vocabulary down, so we had an understanding and we were talking on the same terms. An inequality is anything that is not equal. So that includes our less than, our greater than, our not equal to, our less than or equal to, and our greater than or equal to. All of these signs are considered inequality signs. X is less than or equal to -7 is an example of an inequality, and it can be graphed as such. If we have a number line here and 0 is here, this says x is less than or equal to -7. So if -7 is here, we graph it going this way because it's all values less than or equal to, and the or equal to means we make a filled in circle right at -7. If we have x is greater than, let's say, -1, similar process, 0, we mark -1, and then we say, okay, this is an open circle because it's just greater than, and it includes all the values that are greater than -1. Inequalities can also look a little bit like equations. 2x plus 3, or plus 1, is greater than -3. And we can find solutions for inequalities, just like we saw find solutions for equations. So in this case, I would subtract 1 from both sides. I would have 2x is greater than -4. I would divide by 2. I would divide by 2. X is greater than -2. So that works out just like x was equal to, like 2x plus 1 was equal to -3, but in this case 2x plus 1 is greater than -3. So we solve that and we see x is greater than -2. We can also evaluate inequalities. If we have 3y minus 8 is greater than 22, evaluating inequalities is just like we would evaluate an equation. We would substitute for the variable, simplify, and basically see if the statement was true. So we're going to evaluate this for y equals 2 and see what happens. That means 3 times 2 minus 8 is greater than 22. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 8, that's -2. Is -2 greater than 22? No. So this is not true. We've evaluated this inequality for y equals 2, and we've realized that no, it's not the case.